So, glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, I am showing you what does it mean. Zoom, Cmos, stabilization. We take general example of the camera, general Chinese Android camera suitable for Android. Here your Cmos zoom is regulated by turning this circle. So I'm going to show you an example how it works. So the camera is moving towards a person. The distance is like about 4.5 meters or 5 almost. So I show you how it looks on the camera. You see the person is blur, as all at long distance is blur. Here I put very near some letters, some numbers. You clearly see. You don't see clearly what is at the background and long distance, but you see good what is at the near distance. Now I'm going to show you, to demonstrate you this on very small letters, quite very small letters. You see? You clearly see the letters. You clearly see the letters. But you don't see what is at the background. You don't see the face of the person. So this is Cmos for near distance. Now I'm going to move it, to turn it. I don't know which side, let me see. No, this side. It's very hardly. It turns for about 180 degrees. Yes, that's all, probably. Oh no, it's moving. It's still moving. Oh no. Probably it's enough. You see, in this way. Now I'm show you what we see. What we see. Now we don't see anything probably. Let me check letters. No letters, no person. So we just need to move it back a little bit. So I'm going to move it . I moved it too much, so it's very hard. You don't need to move it. Only when it's here, just turn 180 degrees. That's enough. I moved much more, so I see now it's going lightly. So this is for near distance. Again, I'm going to prove you. You see the text. You don't see a person. Now we move clockwise a little bit. You see these two? You need to check because it's a manual Cmos. It's better than automatic, as you see how the camera's checking. It depends on your phone. Okay, now you see the person. Now you see clearly the person. You see? You see background, furniture, you see? Now I'm going to check the text. You see the text, but you can hardly see the text. I'm going to turn a little bit more. Now you see the furniture much better. Now it's covering. You need to reselect this. Okay, now it's perfect in this situation. Now you see, you check the text. It's almost unreadable because the Cmos zoom function was put to work on the long distance to see the background, not the near distance. So such a manual it is. Glorify the God forever.